Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. I guess you all agree with me that sugar scrub has become so expensive on the market. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own glowy sugar scrub at home without wasting time. Let's just get started. I'll get a big enough bowl and come in with some white sugar. Next, I'll add a tablespoonful of honey. I'll come in with about 3 tablespoonfuls of my Himalayan massage oil and give it a good mix. Next, I'll come in with about a tablespoonful of aloe vera gel. My hand mixer, I'll whip everything up. So after whipping everything, this is what we have here. I'll just go ahead and transfer it into a sterilized container. So to use this, you just take a little amount and put it on your body. You just rub and massage gently for about 3 minutes. This is advisable to do straight after shower. After you're done cleaning your body and while you're still in the shower, just take a little amount and rub it on your body. Then leave it on your skin for about a minute or two. Afterwards, you can just rinse it off. It's great for blemishes. It helps your skin glow, especially for those of you who don't like putting cream on your body. This will help prevent dry skin. It also gets rid of any blemishes and evens out your skin tone. So, if you're looking for a glowy skin in general, you can give this a try. You can do this 3 times in a week, or you can even use it every day if you wish. I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.